guys, welcome to this new video. Welcome to how to use Google Sites. Welcome to this Google Sites tutorial. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly everything you need to know about Google Sites, how to use it, and how to make money online with it. So this is a full video, a full course, so I want you to watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you some things you didn't know about Google Site. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you're logged in into your Google account, because all these sites are going to be stored on your Google Drive. So you need a Google account for that. Now once you have a Google account, all you need to do is to head over at sites.google.com. So once you're there, you're going to be logged in, and if it's a new account, you probably won't have all this website there. Now I have all these sites because I've been using Google Sites for a long time now to create some of my videos for you guys and some things that I use online. Okay, so the first thing to know about Google Sites is you can choose templates. They have pre-made templates here already, as you can see on the screen, and you can start building your own from scratch. Okay, so I've taught you guys a lot of videos in how to do that in these two ways. So in today's video, we'll probably start from scratch so that I can show you some other things you can do with Google Sites. Okay, so once you click on this blank canvas, it's going to take you straight up to the editor. Now this is where I'm going to be doing most of the work. This is where I'm going to be designing our website. Now who needs Google Sites? You need Google Sites if you just want to create a simple website for your small business or small portfolio website. That's when you need Google Sites. Now if you want to do more advanced stuff, okay, you're going to need WordPress and to do those advanced stuff, and I'm going to also show you how to do all those stuff in this channel. So make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them. Now the first thing you need to do is to give your site a title. This is very easy. Just highlight everything and give your site a title here. So you can call it anything you want. I just called my king, and you can do some customization here. You can bolden this. You can also change the kind of font it is here. So this is what you can do at this place. So after that, you can also change the background image to look exactly the way you want it. So just click on, you can either upload or you select. Okay, so most times I love to select. I don't have anything to upload, but if you want to upload, of course you can do that, and you can select from what we have here. So that is that about the heading. Now once you select that, you need to click on this select button so that it will appear automatically. Now the next thing you can do is you can add pages, but before that you can add you can embed your YouTube videos on Google Sites. Okay, it's very simple. Just drag and drop this stuff here, and once it's here, you can just click on this pencil icon here, and you'll be brought with a little bunch of actions. Either you upload a video, or you upload a calendar or map, or you search from your drive, or you select an image, or you upload something here. So you can either do any of this stuff. So if you want to upload from YouTube, just click on YouTube, and you can search for the video here. Or if you have a YouTube channel already, just click on uploads, and you are going to see some of your YouTube videos here. And once you click on it, it will be automatically placed here, as you can see, embedded here, and people can watch it directly. Now another thing to notice, while you're working, you can also check if your site is going to be beautiful on across devices. You can check the mobile responsiveness of your website. As you can see, it's very easy to check. Just click on that icon, and once you're done, just cancel it, and you'll be returned back straight to the editor. Now this is what you can do with Google Sites. You can also add buttons and pages. Now if you want to add pages, as you can see this icon here, this is pages. You can do that. Now this is what, now how can you make money with Google Sites? Now you can make money with Google Sites using some methods. Okay, one of those methods is by selling your own products. Okay, so you can sell your own products, like I showed you how to do that in my videos. You can go to my channel here and check. I've been teaching you guys exactly this video how to sell on your own free Google store. Okay, so you can sell on your own Google site. That you can sell physical products or use that sell digital products. Okay, another method is by using affiliate links. Okay, by promoting affiliate links on your Google site. That I made a special video about that, which is this one. You can check it out, how to use Google site to do affiliate marketing, and you'll get it. So I believe this video was helpful. So if there's anything you want me to cover in this video, in another video, make sure to tell me in the comment section and I'll do that for you. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.